Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today, we are blending up a nutrient-packed spinach smoothie that's not only tastes delicious but also support your gut health. Before we dive into the recipe, here's what you need. 1 cup of baby salad spinach, half frozen banana, half tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 tablespoon of Koso or 2 teaspoons of Koso lower sugar, 1 cup of almond milk. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable rich in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movement, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Spinach also contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that help reduce inflammation and support overall gut health. Bananas are a good source of prebiotics. Prebiotics are the type of fiber and sugar that feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping them thrive and multiply. Additionally, banana contain potassium, which can help regulate fluid balance in the gut and support healthy digestion. Almond butter provides healthy fat and protein, which can help stabilize blood sugar. It also contains fiber and vitamins that support overall digestive health. Almonds are source of vitamin E and magnesium, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit gut health. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and digestive benefit. Bromelain helps break down protein, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and reducing the risk of digestive discomfort. Pineapple also contains fiber and vitamin C, which support gut health and immune function. Koso is a Japanese probiotic drink made from more than 100 kinds of fermented fruit, vegetables, grains, mushrooms, and seaweed. Fermented foods are rich in beneficial probiotics, which are live microorganisms that promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Consuming probiotics can help improve digestion, balance immune system, and reduce inflammation in the gut. Ours also contain postbiotics, which are byproducts of fermentation that provide additional health benefits, such as improved gut barrier. Eating probiotics and prebiotic-rich food also help beneficial bacteria in our gut to produce more postbiotics. Making this smoothie is very simple. Add all the ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. Spinach, the creamy frozen banana, almond butter for some healthy fat, and our gut-friendly Koso. We'll add the almond milk to help everything blend smoothly. Don't be shy to add more if you need it. Let's blend it up. Look at this beautiful green color. Take a moment to taste your creation. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, feel free to add more Koso or frozen fruit and blend again. This spinach smoothie is not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients to fill your day. The sweetness of pineapple balanced perfectly with earthy spinach flavor. And don't forget about the gut-loving benefit of our Koso: spinach, banana, and pineapple. Cheers to good health and great taste. Thank you for watching.